It has a nice foam board at the bottom used as a chassis. On the top, we got ourselves a shoebox lid glued together using hot glue. In front, we got ourselves a trolley wheel glued onto the foam board using hot glue as well. At the back, we got the power. As you can see, there's two motors. Each motor produces 4 kgs of torque, spinning at 18,000 RPM, and there's two. They operate at just 12 volts. We got ourselves some fan speed controllers, also known as ESCs. In the front, we got ourselves two 11.1 volt batteries. Right here is the phone case used to store the phone and record the speed. Now let's go to the racetrack and see the max speed. Back from the racetrack, this baby went 58 kilometers an hour. 58! Do you see the weight of the words? This is a DIY RC car, but it managed to achieve 58, 2 kilometers from 60. That's because this is the true essence of DIY. This wasn't a thing where you buy stuff and assemble it and call it DIY. This is proper DIY. The wheels do not belong with the motor. As you can see, the speed controller does not belong with the motor. The batteries do not belong with the speed controller. Everything is different, and that's what makes it special. The only reason I couldn't push it to the max is because I crashed it. But there was no damage. That's because it's DIY. The only problem was the wheel came off, and the only way to get this wheel back onto the motor and up and running was to use super glue, and I didn't have it, so there was no more speed runs. But that's not a problem because it's DIY. I managed to get these wheels from an old toy RC car. How I did it is the inside diameter was super small. So what I did is I heated up a shaft and then I pushed it in to widen the diameter, the same diameter of the motor shaft. And then once it was the same, all I needed to do is I had to put super glue and then it was back. That's how it worked. So it managed to go 58 kilometers an hour with super glue.